Jesus Freak here. So, earlier today, I was at a Walmart in North Tonawanda. And I decided to pick up a few gadgets. Among them were an external hard drive, get myself another 4 terabytes on my main desktop, and a 250 gig SSD. Now, you're like, well, what do you need an SSD for? Now, I had this laptop was sitting in my closet for a few months because I recognized the signs of an impending hard drive failure and decided to just take it down. So I looked at the SSD and said, this might work in my laptop. Now, previously, what was in here was a 1 terabyte hard drive. And this is only 250 gigabytes. It's about a quarter the space. So I go get this home. I go to the drawer where I keep my stuff. I pull out my multi-bit screwdriver. It's just, $6 screwdriver. Probably got it Dollar General. So I take my screwdriver and I check that the smallest Phillips bit's in there. I'm like, well, I'm going to see if this will unscrew the bottom of this laptop. And I go start unscrewing this bottom of the laptop. I pull off this cover and see if I can find it. Now, right now, I can't find where I put it. Took out the hard drive and put in the new drive. It fit perfectly, like a glove. So I take the drive, put it in, screw everything back together. Now I remembered I had this right next to the computer on the back of the monitor stand. USB flash drive. And I'm like, the most logical thing this could be is the installer for the operating system I used. I was right. So I plug it in, boot up. Takes a couple tries, some fiddling with the hardware. haven't done anything with it, but it works. There's absolutely nothing installed yet. But it works. Just like it did before it started glitching up. Jesus, freak out.